Good afternoon, Dennis. Good afternoon, guys. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, should we start? Can we continue from the last lecture? So, I hope uh, all of you are with me. We have seen this numerical, like we have started it. We noted out different given data, and based on that data, we drew the displacement diagram like this. That first there is rise of follower, okay, through 60-degree. So this length theta 0 is any length, okay, but height is compulsorily your stroke length of the follower, means how much maximum travel it will move from lowest position to highest position. That must be reflected as the height of this rectangle. Then after that we consider that there is angle of dwell, means during this dwell period there is no change in position of follower. So you can see that I have shown these two position at same height. And then there is angle of return, that follower is returning to its lowest position. Okay. So again, this graph is drawn as per the given motion condition, which is our uniform velocity. Okay. So angle of return is given as 60-degree. And then we also marked angle of dwell, that is 210 degrees. So you can see that this length is not proportional to the value. This length we take as any length, any suitable length, like this. Okay. So in last session we have seen how to draw the displacement diagram in case of uniform velocity. Okay. Now after you have drawn this displacement diagram, you will proceed for the cam profile now. Okay. So you will need uh, radius first. So which radius is given? That is minimum radius of the cam. And as I told you that minimum radius of the cam is also known as the base circle radius, which is given as 50 mm. Okay. So if your base circle is of radius 50 mm, you can imagine how much space will be required for you in order to draw this. Okay. So let us now see the construction of cam profile. First of all, there are two cases which are given to us. First one is the case of radial follower, and second case is your offset follower. So as the condition of follower will change, we also have to change the cam profile accordingly. So first let us see for radial follower how to draw the cam profile. So I have noted down the minimum radius of the cam is 50 mm, and this is also known as base circle radius. Okay. So first, in case of radial follower, when the line of or axis of the follower is passes through the center of cam. Okay. In that case, you will draw a circle of radius equal to 50 mm. This is the base circle radius or minimum radius of the cam. Okay, you draw it first, this circle.
So where are we supposed to draw it?
Sorry,
Where are we supposed to draw this circle?
this circle, suppose its radius is 50 mm, right? So you can draw it at the bottom side here so that some space will be available upward. Actually, we have to do the construction here in this portion. So we will be needing the space here. Okay, so on drawing sheet you can draw it, or if you want to first draw it roughly, then you try to mention the proportions. For example, if you draw a circle to show that its radius is 50 mm, then if some distance come which is 40 mm, so you should proportionately take it, that if it is 50 mm, 40 mm should look like this. Okay, so you draw it, or if you want to draw it on notebook, and later if you want to fare it, that also allowed. Drawn, its procedure is simple. कैम प्रोफाइल ड्रॉ करने का प्रोसीजर इज सिंपल. यू जस्ट नीड टू understand the procedure for different types of condition. So conditions may be related with follower. Okay, so if it is a radial follower, your construction will be different. Then if it is a offset follower, your construction will be little bit different. Then construction also varies with respect to your, whether the follower is knife edged or whether the it is a roller follower. So that also changes the cam profile. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So base circle you have drawn, radius was given to you 50 mm. Okay. Next, now we have to locate the position of follower. So we know that in case of radial follower, the follower line or follower axis, it passes through the center of the cam. Say it is the center of the cam. Okay. So you know here will be your follower. And which kind of follower is given to you? That it is a knife edged follower. It is very important. If the follower changes, sometimes it is given that it is a roller follower, then your construction will also change. Keep in mind. Okay. So first what we did, we locate the position of the follower. Now here is the follower. I am showing it only with one line. Later on, if you want, you can add some dimension to it. You can give it some thickness, some physical form like this. Okay. So after locating the follower, follower is here. You have to mark various angles in proper sequence. Okay. So see what is the sequence of the angles. First, there is angle of rise, theta 0. How much it is? It is equal to 60 degree. So you will mark angle of rise first on your base circle. Okay. So we will go in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. It is assumed that your cam will rotate in clockwise direction. So you have to mark the angles in opposite direction of rotation. Okay. So first angle is what? Angle of rise. How much it is? 60 degree. Okay. So from here, you measure it like this. Here, from here you measure. So it is up to this line. It is 90 degree. We have to mark 60 degree, right? So आप इधर से 30 छोड़ दो, तो remaining will be 60. Okay. This is the line which I will draw, and this is my angle of rise. Angle of rise is given to me as 60 degree. This is the 60 degree. Next in sequence is what? Your angle of dual. First dual period. फर्स्ट डुअल पीरियड कितना है? 30 डिग्री का. तो एंगल ऑफ राइज के बाद एंगल ऑफ डुअल मार्क करना है. ओके. सो एज इट इज 60 डिग्री, नाउ मार्क 30 डिग्री as angle of dual. Okay, so this is 60 degree, this is going to be 30 degree. So it is the angle 30 degree. Now after dual period, which angle is there? Angle of return. So how much is the angle of return given? Again it is given as 60 degree. Okay. So from this line you measure 60 degree. Okay, so up to here it is 90 and 60 degree will be somewhere here. So I will mark the angle of return. This one is angle of return. How much it is? It is equal to 60 degree. So this one is your angle of return, which is 60 degree. Got it? How I marked, and remaining remaining angle is nothing but second dual period. थीटा d2 ये कितना है 210 डिग्री. So automatically remaining one will be your second dual period. So are you getting how I mark these angles? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you try to mark it in your drawing book or notebook, in whichever book notebook is you are using. Then we will proceed further. Okay. Let me know if you are done, and if you have any doubt, let me know. So I will again explain it.
So how many diagrams do we have to make in total on the drawing sheet?
Sorry, how?
How many diagrams do we have to make on a single drawing sheet?
Oh, you draw how much it is taking space, this one. So if more space is available, then we can solve the second case also on that offset follower. ओके. सो एक प्रॉब्लम में दो केसेस हैं, एक रेडियल फॉलोअर का है और एक दूसरा ऑफसेट फॉलोअर का है. सो वी कैन आल्सो ड्रॉ ऑन द सेम ड्राइंग शीट, or you can use the back side also, back side of the drawing sheet you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And guys, as we are lagging, so I think we should also have lecture on Saturday, at least 2 lectures ये Saturday भी लेना होगा, तभी ये कैंप प्रोफाइल शायद एंड होगा, और फिर हम नेक्स्ट वीक से नया यूनिट, नया मॉड्यूल स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
Done, sir.
Okay. So pay attention. Now after marking these angles in proper sequence is very important. Otherwise your cam profile will not give you the desired motion, that first it should rise through this degree, then it should dwell. It will not happen otherwise. So after marking these angles, you have to see that in how many parts we have divided these angles on displacement diagram. So it is our displacement diagram. You can see that angle of rise theta 0 is divided into 6 equal parts. Okay. Then in same way, angle of rise will be divided on the cam profile. So angle of rise you can see 60 degree, divide into 6 equal parts. So each part will be of 10 degree. Correct. So 6 parts में divide करेंगे. Okay. In this way 6 parts में आपको divide करना है. Each part will be 10 degree and you have to start numbering. So say it is starting point 0. ये हो गया आपका. So it is how much? 10 at 10 degree. Okay. So in case of radial follower, what is done? This point is connected with center directly. So here you can connect it like this. It is not coming straight line, but you can understand. Okay. You can little bit take it out. Then here this point is joined with the center and it is kept out like this in radial direction. Okay. Similarly, join it with center like this. Okay. And this point should also be joined with the center. Now as you have divided this into different parts, you will number them. Okay, so 0 this, it is 1. इन सेम वे जैसे आपने डिस्प्लेसमेंट डायग्राम पे नंबर किया है, इसी तरह यहाँ पे भी आपको नंबर करना है 1 2 3. Here it is 4, this one it is 5th, and here it is 6th. Okay. After angle of rise, there is first dual period 30 degree. So you can see that dual period is not divided. So आपको उसको divide नहीं करना है. So dual period ऐसे ही रहेगा 30 डिग्री तक. ये 6 पॉइंट आप यहाँ पे कैरी कर सकते हो. Then this 60 degree is the angle of return. So angle of return को भी कितने parts में divide किया था? 6 parts में. Here. So here also I will divide this angle of return into 6 parts. Each part will be of 10 degree. Okay. So here it is like this. Again join it with center and extend it. Then like this. Okay, then this is like this. And then continue the numbering. So 6 is here. Here it will come 7. Here it will come 8. Then 9. Then it is 10, 11.
So there is 2 times 6.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. More than 6 हो गया ना. So
You wrote already. You
इसको
wrote
हम
6 now.
6,
Hello.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. ये देखो 8 यहाँ पे, 9 यहाँ पे, ये 10 यहाँ पर है. तो this one should be rest. draw. This one is of 11. 11 यहाँ पे है और ये हो गया 12. Okay. Getting it? How I drawn this line? I have divided the angle of rise into 6 parts. और ये पॉइंट से इसको ज्वाइन किया. एज इट वाज ऑफ 60 डिग्री, सो ईच पार्ट विल बी ऑफ 10 डिग्री. दिस इज 10 10 10. In same way, angle of return was also 60 degree. So I divided each part into 10 degree like this. Okay. So in this way you have to divide. You do it and let me know if you are done. Then I will show you the process further. All this construction you keep light, means light पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करना है. और जो एक्चुअल कैम प्रोफाइल होगा, एक्चुअल जो कैम प्रोफाइल का सरफेस या बाउंड्री होगा, उसको हम थोड़ा डार्क करेंगे. इट विल बी रिलेटिवली डार्कर.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So
1 minute, sir.
okay.
Done, sir.
Done,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So see, after you have shown these points, now what you have to do, you have to mark the distances here. So at point 1, what is distance at displacement diagram? Similarly, at point 2, what is the distance at displacement diagram? Okay, so you go to displacement diagram. You can see at point 0, there is no displacement here. There is no displacement. At point 1, how much is the displacement? This displacement is equal to distance between point 1 and 1 dash. Point 1 and 1 dash. So you can take this distance in compass. Compass आप यहाँ पे रखो दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में. One point will be at point 1 and pencil will be at 1 dash. So that distance will be in your compass. You transfer this distance into the cam profile. So that distance 1 dash is taken here, and point here 1 dash is marked. That here is the point 1 dash. Are you getting what is the distance between point 1 and 1 dash? This distance is same as here. यहाँ पे जितना distance है उतना ही है, 1 dash. Similarly at point 2, how much is the distance? 2 dash. This distance. You take this distance in compass and put the compass at 2.2 and mark 2 dash point here. So you will be able to mark point 2 dash like this. Okay. Similarly, you transfer the distances at all the points like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 पे कितना है, 7 पे कितना है, 8 पे कितना है डिस्टेंस. वैसे आप मार्क करते जाओ पूरा up to 12. Okay, you transfer all the distance. Then what we have to do, I will tell you after that. Okay, transfer all the distances. Here it will be 3 dash, 4 dash. You have to take these distances from the displacement diagram. 5 dash, and this one is 6 dash. Same distance here, 6 dash, then 7, it is 7 dash, nine dash, here it is 10 dash, and here it is 11 dash, and 12 dash is here only, means no displacement, zero distance between 12 and 12 dash. You mark all these points. These distances you can transfer from the displacement diagram to cam profile.
Done, sir.
Okay. So next what you have to do, okay, just Okay, I will take this. So next you have to draw a smooth curve, you know, which is passing through all these dash point, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, like this. So here you can start from point O, passing through 1, 2, 3. Smoothly you have to join like this. Okay, now you can see that during this 6 dash and this 6 dash, distance is constant. So you can take this as radius, and with the help of compass you can just join 6 and 6 dash with the help of compass. Radius will be this much. Now leave the compass, again join with the smooth curve. Use pencil and join all these dash points, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, till you again come to lowest position. So here you go like this, and finally you go to lowest position. And after that you can see this surface, which is nothing but base circle. Radius is constant, so you can just simply make it dark, because it is also a cam profile, this way. So whatever I have shown you in the red line is your cam profile, cam surface, and follower is at point O. So if you want to like give it some length dimensions, you can give it like this. You can show the knife edge follower like this. Okay, as your cam will rotate in this way, so this knife edge follower will be sliding over the this surface, and based on the height at any point, the follower will rise and it will lower. So it will have a to and fro motion like this. So in order to secure the follower, you can provide it in guides. तो यहाँ पे आप कुछ provide कर सकते हो. It will reciprocate inside these walls. Okay, so it is called as your cam profile. And in radial follower, this is the method of construction of cam profile. You will do like this. Okay, you draw this, then we will see the second case. Also join back immediately.